Hello students, welcome to SOURAV's classes. Today we'll be solving question number 14 and 15 from the TIFR question paper of year 2017. We have solved the earlier questions in earlier videos. So let's start by solving question number 14. In question number 14 it has been said that every 2 by 2 matrix over C is a square of some matrix. So 2 by 2 matrix, it is a square matrix of some kind, and that square matrix is a square of some matrix. So let's begin. Let us take that the matrix, will assume take a matrix 0 0 1 0, which is a 2 by 2 matrix, and this is the square of a matrix A B C D. So it is A B C D into A B C D, and this is equal to A square plus BC, AC plus CD, AB plus BD, and BC plus D square. This is the thing. So if we equate the conditions, we'll get that A square plus BC is equal to 0, AB plus BD is equal to 0, AC plus CD is equal to 1, and BC plus D square is equal to 0. So when we use all these conditions, we'll find, using this one and this, A square plus BC implies BC is equal to minus A square, BC plus D square equal to 0 implies BC is equal to minus D square. This implies that A square is equal to D square. Also, AB plus BD is equal to 0 implies B of A plus D is equal to 0. Now when we use all these conditions, we'll find out that A is equal to 0, D is equal to 0, and B is also equal to 0. So in that case, the term AC plus CD is equal to 0 and not equal to 1, as we have found out here. In that case, we can see that the entire structural assumption that we have made is false. So the answer to this question is false. Now let us solve question number 15, the next question. In question number 15, it has been said that under the projection map, which goes from R square to R and sends xy to x, the image of any closed set is closed. We have to check whether this statement is true or false. So we have been said that from xy it goes to x. Suppose let us assume that the closed set that of whose image we have to check, that set to be A, and it is a closed set. Okay, let us try to I'll give a so if A is a closed set, but we can sometimes say that the projection will vary from 0 to infinity, but the projection will be 0 to infinity, which is open. Graphically we can show it like this. It is open, and so the statement is false. So today we have solved question number 14 and 15 from the TIFR paper. We will be solving the next questions in the upcoming videos. Thank you.